SYC Wichita day one.
When
Let's get it.
you're
Let's go,
ready, you can
boys.
start.
Do you like bacon?
Yes.
Alright. Have you ever put syrup on bacon?
No.
Alright, so if you haven't put syrup on bacon, you definitely haven't put Nutella on bacon.
No.
Alright, then it's... Alright, we're tied. Alright, so never mind.
So,
We're in a debate. Which is better? Nutella with bacon or syrup with bacon?
I haven't really considered trying either.
so you have ABC out there this game. So,
We're here with the Newman head coach here in Wichita. Debate part 3 about syrup and Nutella on bacon. So have you like bacon?
I do like bacon.
Alright, have you ever put syrup on bacon?
I have.
Have you ever put Nutella on bacon?
I have not. Nor would I think to do that.
You can walk away.
It's always
Kindly
syrup.
kindly walk away. Current Wichita State Shocker Bowler here. Next summer. Debate part 4. What belongs on bacon? Nutella or syrup?
Syrup.
Oh my god, we're like 0 for 4, Colin.
Yeah, you're 0 for 4.
I know.
I'm 4
Have you
0.
ever tried Nutella on bacon?
No, because I'm not crazy.
Oh, crap!
So debate part 5 here with upcoming Wichita State Shocker here in Wichita. Do you like bacon?
Bacon?
Bacon.
Yeah.
Do you put syrup or Nutella on bacon?
I put syrup on bacon. It tastes better.
Have you ever tried Nutella?
I haven't. Why
Okay.
would you put Nutella on bacon?
Chocolate and bacon? Chocolate bacon.
It sounds gross.
Turn the camera off. had bacon before, right?
Bacon, yes.
Do you like bacon?
Absolutely.
What belongs on bacon? Nutella or syrup?
Syrup.
Oh my god.
Who puts Nutella?
You have never had Nutella on bacon. Who does that? Who doesn't?
Is that like an East Coast thing? Or
Nobody does that. It's gotta be an East
No
Coast
one
thing.
does that.
Dude, I'm currently 0-6. So we're here, part 7, I believe, with the women's head coach of Wichita. Do you like bacon?
Yes.
Do you put syrup on bacon?
No.
Have you ever tried Nutella on bacon?
No.
You haven't lived. You haven't lived.
It's a draw.
All right, recap after the first 5. I bowled 240 the last game to get to plus what, 8? 4? Something like that.
240 last.
Brennan, I didn't ask.
Dude, you couldn't hit the head pin game 1.
Game
at
1. We
all.
don't talk about game 1. I went 120 over the last 4 though.
You
Yeah,
did. You know, that's
We
good.
bowled 170 the first game.
Justin, I said we don't talk about game 1. And why do I still have my match on?
Justin just couldn't throw it to the right or keep it in front of him to save his life.
No.
What else?
That was about it.
I
But he
bowled,
did bowl 240
I
last
bowled like
game
this.
and ripped his mask.
He
I
did
sure
rip his
did.
basket.
I sure did. I got a brand new one. So we're gonna go get some food and on
We'll
to
be
round
back
2.
with the medium pattern does game 6 through 10.
Squad 2.
Peace.
1 recap. I'm like 10th and like even. Brandon's like second, and he's only getting to second.
Only 200 out of the lead with 5 games to go.
James, you're third, right? All right, good start for James. How are the girls balling?
Second. I'm in 6th.
All right, good balling, and you're watching. All right,
Dude, he hasn't missed. So
he hasn't missed, so that's bonus. So be sure to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 2.
Yes, sir.